Which one of you is next? Here they come, boys! Let's find a new one! Ignore the curly red.
Well, hi there,
Howdy. Welcome to Deadwood. Howdy.
Bits and pieces. I'm here with the Lowdown Burial Services. You're looking for any business? You seem to be in your impending doom. Double wide, maybe, for you? What do you think?
Yes.
Extra wide.
Extra wide for me.
Oh, yeah. I have to make you a custom.
Ooh, I like that.
Custom one. I have to report that to my gravedigger. Don't forget to come out to the saloon, grab a few drinks, see if you can make it out.
It's our money.
Where the whole clown come from?
Wow. Hey, Scooter, you lost one.
It's always too hot.
Oh, he's back. He's scared. Living daylights out of me.
You did it?
I'm trying my best.
That's good.
There's no spiders this time, so I'm happy.
You know it.
Appreciate you. Welcome to the Black Veil Saloon. Pray for me. Oh no. What happened to Grandpa? What happened to Grandpa?
Don't talk about now like something fear. Something to run from. Fear? You don't know fear. Now you best listen to her. I seen her. I know her. Now you best get before Nell come and get you. You hear? Yes. She liked the loud ones first.
Oh my God, no. All right, we good. Oh, shit. Where did you come from?
It ain't the trees rustling.
What is?
No. Ain't nobody around this town no more.
Who's now?
She lures in cowboys and she'll
Thank you for the.
in cold blood.
Maybe I shouldn't have been a cowboy today. Woo.
Looks like the problem.
Hey, boy, I ain't been on you. What? Around here, someone's gonna take us
You ain't seen nothing.
Yes, sir.
Don't you go snitching now.
I will not. Oh, welcome to the bar.
This bar used to be filled with people and laughter. Now it's filled with bugs and half-baked towns.
No, she killed my father.
Ghosts don't empty town. Fear does.
How do you think the cowboys are dying?
Nell ain't real. She's just some ghost story.
Then why is my father dead?
Don't mind her. She believes every little ghost story they tell her.
Hi there!
Hey, that's twice now.
I know.
That's twice now.
How didn't you see me coming? Thought that you would be used to it by now. You met my friend yet?
Yes, I did.
You did. You like her?
They do bite.
They do. See, I tried to warn you, darling. But see, men have this tendency with not listening. You heard of it? See, you're one of the people I'm talking about. You know?
What'd I do?
See, you got scared from me twice in the same spot.
You're good at what you do.
I know. You don't gotta wake me up, darling.
Ooh, not again.
Please, you have to believe me now. She's real. Do you believe me?
Yes, I believe you.
Thank you.
Is she dangerous?
No, she's our friend.
I heard otherwise coming this way.
No, she's our friend. You have to believe me. You know who else would believe me?
Who?
Poppy.
Poppy would believe me?
Yes. Please. Please, she's our friend.
I was wondering. Okay, are we good? Are we good? Walking through the mausoleum. Time to shine, princess.
Oh, princess.
Yes, it's all you.
Oh, me. Oh, baby, I'm always a star. Don't you know that? Me and Nell, we run this town.
Who is this Nell person?
Oh, no, she my friend. See, the town, they didn't like her no more after a while there. They hung her in the town. Can you believe that?
I heard.
She ain't done nothing wrong. Oh, she
Holy
That's
sh!
right.
See, all she done did was kill a few men.
I'm trying to focus on y'all. Why y'all keep scaring me?
No, because I'm trying to get the story straight.
Get the
That's
story
all.
straight.
See,
Oh, see, I got my story straight. I
So-
never heard that.
Nell,
She can't be trusted?
killing cowboys, you heard.
Yes.
Hung her body in the town square, but now she's back and she's killing people like you know?
But what did I do?
See, you got that thing around your neck. Looks like
Oh
a
no, it's
cowboy.
dangerous.
Boy.
I'm not a cowboy.
Perhaps
Oh,
it's
you
blood.
gonna be her next sacrifice there, Angel.
No.
You will. And there's no
I can save you from all of this. You just have to listen to me.
There's two of them saying she's good.
No, you
She
can't
says she's
listen.
good.
Don't listen to them evil woman. You're here.
Enough out of you. Your psychosis.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
See, now you better
Jesus.
shoot the ambulance.
Whoa.
Y'all better not be bringing up ghost stories around here. There ain't no such thing as that.
It was her. It wasn't me. No, 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 no. You've done enough. You've done enough.
I'm out. Please, I can't make her stop. All I hear is her lying, giving these people a false sense of security and lying to sin. And I know you and I know that. And the wages of sin is death.
Oh no, she got
Look
him.
at him crawling on the ground like an animal. Who's lying now?
See, I know that's right, darling. One thing you
Oh,
never
no.
tell a
They got my
woman
boy.
is what to do, okay?
See, she's using
Preach.
Can I actually agree with her for once?
Preach. Preach. Hi.
Are you a state Mel again, sweetheart? She's gonna get you, but maybe
I heard she was good.
she is a good girl. She's got a way of getting what she wants. Any way she can get it. So, much like it.
Oh.
I'll take a little off the top of you. That's the nasty
You thought you could get away from me, baby.
I tried. You're everywhere.
This is my town, don't you know?
I heard.
Me and Nell run this.
Oh, so you're like the lieutenant?
Oh, she my friend. She my good friend.
Oh my god. Got me sweaty.
Hi! You know, I have the perfect thing to make all them gosh darn voices in your head go numb.
What is it?
No, they never had anything right here. It is. It's like you take one in all the world, go silent.
Holy shit. You know, you've already got me like 4 times, right? Like, you won. You literally won.
And I'll just keep on winning.
My hair lets you know I'm scared because it's messed up. Oh, what's up with those barrels? Whoa, who's shooting in here?
I've had too many people come in my office talking about nail this, nail that, go handle it, Sheriff. Nail is dead, all right? You can't believe a word the people in this town tell you. They're all hallucinating lunatics, I swear. Oh my God, I can't believe the people have to deal with this.
Oh boy, we're going through the dirty sheets. What is this? Uncharted territory? Ooh, somebody blowing chunks on these walls. Oh, there's a person hanging in the closet.
Why is this
Oh.
happening to me? I don't know why this is happening to me. I just want someone to tell me why this is happening to me.
Is it Nell?
Why? Why is this happening to me?
Oh my God, it's Big Bertha. What's Bertha doing here? Ooh.
I saw
Oh.
her! I don't know! Took my eyes! My eyes! I tell you, my eyes!
Hi. Ooh, the suckle.
Did I scare you?
Yes.
Oh, well,
Again.
I should scare you. No, should I? Run!
Now if you're there, you can decide. They can kill you, but they can't kill me. If you need me to kill this soul, I will. Have you seen Nell anywhere?
Outside, yes.
Outside? Oh, the resurrection works. She's alive.
You don't need my soul after all.
I guess I don't, but maybe next time. If Nell tells me to, in my brain, I'll do it. I'll do anything for her. If she tells me to, I'm gonna do it.
Woo!
I'm gonna kill every last one of you for Nell. No, please. You can't let her do this. No, I do. No. They can't do nothing about it. You're mine. They can try. Get back over there.
Nothing I can do.
I'm gonna kill every last one of you for now.
Not for now.
Please. No one has allowed this thing to finish.
That's all I can think of right now.
I think she's had.
I can't really
something up-
remember.
I think I'm talking too loud. It's turning red. Is red bad?
The apothecary.
Welcome to Deadwood Mine, to the pretty freak Deadwood! How many more people will you send to their dead? Oh, please, pay no mind to her ridiculous stories. There is no beast.
My husband still hasn't returned from your last endeavor to get the gold.
Maybe your husband just wants to get off the job.
Don't you dare talk about him like that!
Well, I'm sorry to think the gold is the only reason he's left you.
This is all I have left to him thanks to you!
Oh, please, you're gambling. That's all I hear. Don't you understand?
He could be dead because of you!
It's not my fault that he did it. You're responsible for this.
Is he dead? But is he dead though?
Oh, mesdames et crêtes, a little bit more powder.
Oh!
Scaredy cat. You're afraid of a little beast? You be afraid of this?
I agree. Oh!
You're a scaredy cat.
Good job. Good job. Woo! Oh my God.
This is true! You really are a beast of lies. The man just lies! Those beasts, all they do is hoard all that gold. And they try to kill anyone who tries to enter!
So the problem is the gold.
Silence, girl!
guess
My gold is my mind, my will! Silence! Be quiet! She's mad that her puppies can't kill correctly.
Woo! Blacksmith, is it sharp enough? It broke?
Strong enough.
It broke?
My tools aren't strong enough, but I know I can make something stronger. I know I can.
Use dynamite.
If I had it my way, they'd all die.
Shush! Gotta be quiet, or it'll get ya! Bobby hasn't came back yet. The beast must have caught him. That beast takes everything.
Not the beast.
Please, my son! Dad, Dad,
Oh, stop that nonsense. Your dad'll be home soon.
it's real! You're scaring folks!
How long has he been missing?
What's happening
Holy
to me? Please, there has to be a
Oh, Jesus! You were not there before. Oh, not the air cannon. Oh, where your pants at? Whew.
I'm gonna read the map. You went in this way and got ripped in half.
holding the map upside down!
This is all we have left of him.
But it's the treasure.
I don't know. We were looking for the gold, but it's gone. He got blown up. So did the gold.
We read the map wrong and he was the wrong way.
He went the wrong way, and now he's dead, and now he's blown up, and now he's gone. And he lost a foot.
Not the foot.
He has no foot.
Is it fruit by the...
What is that?
What are we gonna do? How do we get out?
I can't help you.
It's your
Oh,
turn now.
yo.
Get in there and get me my gold. And
Yes,
make
sir.
Sure to move quick.
Yes, sir.
Want that beast to get you. I don't want that beast to get me. And make sure to cut it on full of gold.
Oh, your boy is limping. I'm tired. Yo! It's a damn werewolf. What happened to your foot?
Go! Don't go! You're gonna die!
Don't you need medical
He's gonna
attention?
kill you!
I'm calling 911 right now. I need an ambulance.
Oh, hell no.
13 men come to die.
Yes. Oh, that's it? Not the alcohol poison. Hey, yo!
Beast comes back! Please!
The-
Please don't leave me here!
The beast is here!
It's coming
The
for
beast
us
is
all.
here!
Please! Please don't leave me here! Please! He's coming!
You got him! Oh my god!
I think he has rabies.
Oh, it's the sacrificial room!
Oh, Jesus.
I don't want to be sacrificed! Oh, it's Skull Rock! Hey, yo, what the hell is that? Oh, okay. All right.